So here we are, we're in front of the computer in the classroom. You go to your friendly browser, type in VELUX Rewards. Remember the space in between, that's quite important. And top of the list of rankings will be VELUX Rewards. You click on that and it will reinforce exactly what we're doing and what we're talking about. April and May, white painted windows, €45, i.e. £40 per window during April and May. What we're looking for is to create an account if you haven't already got one, which will then take you to a similar looking page. But if you scroll down, you can see you need to enter a load of details. It doesn't take a lot of time to do it. Mobile numbers, email addresses, how you describe yourself, what your position is. And then you need to get to the bottom and it asks you, how did you hear about the VELUX Rewards program? And because we don't actually feature in that list, if you click on Other, and then of course you've heard it from yourself and the company, which would be really good if you can put that in there. Steve Wells, JJ Roofing Supplies. That'd be fantastic. You need to check a couple of boxes about evaluating promotions and receiving news and promotional emails, and then you click on My Account. And it's basically as easy as that. So once you've completed your registration, you'll receive an email from VELUX, which will confirm your login and your PIN number. Once you've logged in, this is the important part, it'll take you to the members area, as you can see there, and it will go through how many points you've got. You then want to go down to Add Purchase, click on that. That then allows you to add some details on the actual purchase, where the window's going, etc, etc. The important bit here is to upload a receipt image. You've got 45 days from when you purchase it to do it. You can either do it as a file, or you may well have to take a photo of a paper invoice and then upload that or scan it. A few more questions, you then click Add Purchase. So once you've uploaded your invoices, they will go into pending and eventually find their way into balance once they've been converted. What you then want to look for is the Claim Rewards button, little shopping trolley. You click on that. That takes you to where all the real magic happens. This allows you to claim the rewards for whatever store you wish to go through with your e-voucher. Ticketmaster, Bon Jovi, I'll keep saying that, John Lewis, Curry's PC World, M&S, Argos. You click on Claim Now, and very soon after that you will receive the e-voucher in your email, which will allow you to spend it at the shop of your choice. Easy.